Traders remain cautious, waiting for new hints about further auctions of the central banks. Today, the FOMC meeting minutes will determine the sentiment of the greenback traders. Meanwhile, traders of the euro have to predict the ECB's future auctions by themselves, evaluating preliminary PMI data for October. The Eurozone preliminary PMI data exceeded even the most optimistic forecasts. The indicators increased instead of falling, though remaining in the red. In particular, the manufacturing PMI rose to 47.3 points from a 46.4 instead of dropping to 45.7 points. The services PMI remained unchanged, whereas analysts had foreseen a decline to 47.8 points from 48.6. As a result, the composite PMI managed to climb to 47.8 points from 47.3, instead of sliding to 46.8 points. In the UK, the situation is almost the same. The only difference is that the indicators remained at the same levels. Economists had expected a drop. However, these reports failed to revive the market. Investors are waiting for the same data from the United States. However, the forecasts are initially more optimistic. Since in Europe all the indexes are well above the forecasts, the same situation may take place in the United States. In the event of this, the US dollar will show a considerable increase, but it's likely to be limited. Tomorrow, the United States will celebrate Thanksgiving Day. That's why the unemployment claims reports are published today, slightly before the preliminary PMI reports. Notably, forecasts for unemployment claims are not such rosy. Thus, the number of first-time claims may increase by 6,000, while the number of continuing claims may rise by 7,000. Although the change is significant in the labor market, situation is worsening, which will cap the greenback's appreciation. What do we see on the trading charts ahead of the US trade? The euro-dollar pair slackened the correctional process from the resistance level of 1.05 near 1.0220. As a result, the pair started rising and climbed above 1.03. In other words, the euro is slightly recovered after the recent correction. If the price consolidates above 1.03, it may continue rising to hit a new local high of November. If the pair settles below 1.03 on the daily chart, the correctional movement is likely to be continued. The pound-dollar pair has been hovering within the sideways channel of 1.1750 and 1.1950 for a week already. Although the range is wide, we see stagnation that was formed when the pair was rising from the low of the downtrend. Under the current conditions, traders should remain focused on the limits of the range. It means that the price rebound from the limit is a temporary strategy. The breakout strategy is still the main one, as it may indicate a further movement of the quote. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.